Welcome to our journey through time, where we explore the fascinating world of herbivorous dinosaurs. These gentle giants roamed the Earth millions of years ago, and today we'll uncover some amazing facts about them. From the mighty Triceratops to the towering Brachiosaurus, we'll delve into their unique adaptations, behaviors, and the incredible world they inhabited. So, fasten your seatbelts as we travel back in time to an era ruled by these magnificent creatures. As we venture into this prehistoric world, we encounter a fascinating array of creatures, the herbivorous dinosaurs. These remarkable animals, unlike their fearsome carnivorous counterparts, thrived on a diet of plants. They were the gardeners of their time, shaping the landscape with their grazing habits. Imagine a world dominated by towering ferns, gigantic conifers, and lush cycads. This verdant paradise was the dining table for our gentle giants. From the colossal sauropods like the Brachiosaurus, with necks reaching dizzying heights to nibble on treetops, to the smaller, nimbler ornithopods like the Hypsilophodon, darting through the undergrowth, each species had carved its niche in this vibrant ecosystem. Their impact on their environment was profound. These herbivores acted as a vital link in the food chain. Their immense size provided sustenance for the apex predators of their time, ensuring the delicate balance of this prehistoric world remained intact. Few dinosaurs captivate the imagination quite like the Triceratops. This magnificent beast, with its three prominent horns and expansive bony frill, is instantly recognizable. But the Triceratops was more than just a pretty face. Its horns, thought to reach up to 3 feet in length, were formidable weapons likely employed in defense against predators like the Tyrannosaurus rex. Imagine the clash of titans as these prehistoric behemoths engaged in a battle for survival. The massive frill extending from the back of its skull was another striking feature. While some scientists believe it served as protection for the neck, others suggest it played a role in thermoregulation or even in attracting mates. Life for a Triceratops revolved around finding enough food to sustain its massive bulk. These herbivores likely roamed in herds, their beaks shearing through tough vegetation, their powerful jaws grinding it down. Chapter 3: Brachiosaurus, the towering titan. Prepare to be dwarfed. The Brachiosaurus, one of the largest animals to ever walk the earth, was a true giant of the dinosaur world. Imagine a creature so tall it could peer over a 4-story building. Its long neck, held upright like a giraffe's, gave it access to the most sought-after foliage high atop trees that other dinosaurs could only dream of reaching. This towering height, however, came with its own set of challenges. The Brachiosaurus needed a heart powerful enough to pump blood all the way up to its head. Just imagine the pressure required for such a feat. And what about its diet? This gentle giant needed to consume vast quantities of plants every day to fuel its enormous body. Despite its size, the Brachiosaurus was a peaceful herbivore. Fossil evidence suggests that these giants roamed in herds, their long necks swaying in unison as they grazed on the prehistoric foliage. Chapter 4: Stegosaurus, plates and spikes. Now let's meet a dinosaur that's a bit of an enigma, the Stegosaurus. This instantly recognizable herbivore sported an array of broad, flat plates along its back, a feature that continues to puzzle scientists to this day. Were these plates used for defense, like armor plating against predators? Or perhaps they served as a form of thermoregulation, absorbing heat from the sun or dissipating excess heat? The debate continues, but the Stegosaurus had another trick up its sleeve, or rather at the end of its tail. 4 fearsome spikes protruded from its tail, acting as a formidable weapon against any would-be attackers. One can only imagine the force with which the Stegosaurus could wield this spiky club, keeping even the fiercest predators at bay. Despite its impressive defenses, the Stegosaurus was a gentle herbivore, its small head grazing on low-lying plants. Its brain, however, was remarkably small relative to its body size, leading to the somewhat unfair reputation of the Stegosaurus as not being the sharpest tool in the shed. Chapter 5: Ankylosaurus, the Armored Tank. If there was ever a dinosaur that embodied the phrase living tank, it was the Ankylosaurus. This herbivore took self-defense to a whole new level. Imagine a creature covered head to tail in thick, bony plates like a walking fortress. The Ankylosaurus was virtually impregnable, its armor plating so robust that even the bite of a Tyrannosaurus rex would have struggled to penetrate it. But the Ankylosaurus's defenses didn't end there. At the end of its tail, it possessed a formidable club-like growth, a weapon capable of delivering a devastating blow to any unsuspecting predator. One can picture the scene: a Tyrannosaurus rex, emboldened by hunger, attempting to make a meal of the Ankylosaurus. But the Ankylosaurus stands its ground, its armored body deflecting the predator's attacks, its club tail swinging with bone-crushing force. Despite its intimidating appearance, the Ankylosaurus was a gentle herbivore. Its life focused on grazing and avoiding confrontation. Its strong sense of smell likely aided in finding food and detecting potential threats. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of herbivorous dinosaurs. We've encountered creatures of immense size, adorned with horns, plates, and clubs, each adapted to thrive in a world long gone. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet, past and present.